everyone, I'm Ethel, and for today's video, I'm gonna explain to you the Kepler's three laws of motion. Kepler's laws of planetary motion in astronomy and classical physics, describing the motions of the planets in the solar system. They were derived by the German astronomer Johannes Kepler, whose analysis of the observations of the 16th century Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe enabled him to announce his first two laws in the year 1609 and a third law nearly a decade later in 1618. Kepler himself never numbered these laws or specially distinguished them from his other discoveries. These laws mark up a key step in the revolution which moved the center of the universe from Earth, geocentric cosmology to the Sun, heliocentric, and they laid the foundation for the unification of heaven and earth by Newton a century later. Now, let's talk about the first law, which is the law of ellipses. The orbits of the planets are ellipses with the Sun at one focus, which means that all planets move about the Sun in elliptical orbits, having the Sun as one of the foci. The second law is the law of equal areas. In equal intervals, the imaginary orbit will sweep out equal areas, which means that a radius vector joining any planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal lengths of time. Last but not the least is the law of harmony. The squares of the sidereal periods of revolution of the planets are directly proportional to the cubes of their mean distances from the Sun, which means that the squares of the sidereal periods of the revolution of the planets are directly proportional to the cubes of their mean distances from the Sun. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something.